July ni som pali sang ni som ni paruk ania Donald Trump pati hian in Strait of Hormuz Iranina unblock back a hian unblock telve to don in naval blockade kan tiang kha United States te hian in anti chunzom le to dona hemi back a hian in Trump a hian in thumak tak tak nga puang le to ani US tampang hian in Iran an be chunzom zela heng te hi video kan ri kanga chumi ma chuan he kan en photang
I hun nei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin Titan RK construction an ome I boypui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boypui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo athlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an koi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te in mama huna in lo dorve theu donani o le riekila
the third consecutive night of attacks. U.S. Central Command says this was a 5-hour mission hitting defense systems, missile and drone sites. The military says it targeted these positions to degrade Iran's ability to hit ships in the Strait of Hormuz. It comes just hours after President Trump said yesterday
US sipai te hianin azan thumna atan tuna hianin Iran an be chunzom le meka azan thumna phei hi chu darkar nga la yani vat ho zoya vaka a hole khani lo azan thumna hi chu an uluk rem khop mai darkar nga are United States lampang hianin an mang ani tin United States lampang ina hetianga darkar nga are mission an nei chung hian tuna kan hmu zo chetak jeep ang chi te missile ka chuana ang chi te khang te kha United States sipai lampang hian ang ka chiat sak treu maya tuna an tumbera chu United States te hian in Strait of Hormuz Iran thunei na ta hi lak chuan tu mani Iran ho thunei na hi pai kha kan tuma chu wang chuanin Iran te na Strait of Hormuz longkal te missile te drone manga an ka theina tur an capability ang kha chu chiat vek bom chiat vek tuna hianin an tum khop mai ni chu wang chuanin US te hianin uluk takin katianga va thok zoya va bom zoya le mai lo khan darkar nga te meu mai hetiang hianin hun an mang ani
the White House that the US will reinstate the blockade.
We're putting the blockade back and it's a blockade not for anybody but Iran. In other words,
hemi blockade hi tu dang ni lawin Iran te tan ba kan ni law Iran te chi hi kan block le to don ani
it's anybody doing business with Iran can't go through. Everyone else will be able to go through.
Kini US te na hetinga navy blockade kan ti chu mi zong tan ani lawa Iran te ne na sum don na ti te chau hi an ron chua kan phalawanga an lu kan khap le don aman tiang khanin United States te hian in naval blockade anti chunzom le don ni mana po khanin ka react wa MOU te pon sign to amaro chu United States lampang te hian in an indo long zong ate an sipai zong ate hi US lama hian in an ho tir le arin om lo kati kha asan chu MOU kha alo hlo champal thei indo na kha an lo chunzom le pal thei khata khanin United States atanga abula tanga long zong indo long zong tir phei le kha anta na hau tak don ani chu wan chuanin hetiang hianin olsam taka United States te naval blockade anti le thei po hi an fing an thir thui ang reng khop mai
so it's a blockade, it's a very strong blockade. The blockade was probably more effective even than hitting them, but I think the combination is the thing that really does it.
Kami naval blockade kan ti ringot kha Iran vaka vabom ai po hianin a effective zok ni in country again ni phei chuan amaro chu kan block anga kan bom bokang a effective dun khop mai atiani Trump a hian
Trump also suggested the U.S. will charge ships for passage, what the administration has demanded Iran not do. The UN Convention of the Law of the Seas protects transit through international straits, so this would be a break from a long-standing American policy. Trump arguing that it's reimbursement for protecting ships, with Iran reacting, the foreign minister firing back with this sarcastic response, writing, quote, POTUS is absolutely right.
Iran hianin Strait of Hormuz kaltang long te atang hianin tax toll fee kan tiang chi kha khatiang kha lak an tum di kha kan traffic ani ti chuanin US lampang hianin Iran lakata Strait of Hormuz hi Iran thuneina lakata an chu sak thei ni chuan US lampang chuanin Strait of Hormuz kan enkol na man te kan maintain na man hi helai long mang te hianin aman min peturani aron ti ta chi mai ani hei taka hi United States lampang ina atira tanga an du mi lo long zalen takin engma tiang Iran ten hena poisa pe ngai lo hianin ankal tang turani an ti kha United States lampang hianin tuna hianin a begin Trump aron so yan ya Trump hianin ting hianin 20% kan la veze lang anti tatlat mai ani tat mai na hei hi Iran lampang suanin anron soi chuak le hal wata Trump attack na ron mangzui le hal chatani hei POTUS is absolutely right President of the United States of America he at adikchi ani to the point Strait of Hormuz long sumdong long te him taka an kaltang the na turata na service pe te tha lo tho tu te khang te khachu enge poisa pek le ta kan ni Iran hi Strait of Hormuz veng him to an lo ni to thina an la ni reng don boka amai ro chu 20% lo lak hi chu anama ma dewani United States in 20% hi an lo la ni po in ke ni ero chuan fair takin kan tiang ti in Iran foreign minister hin hetiang hian in Trump hiron kaplet ve sak mai ani ong
Whoever provides secure and safe passage of commercial vessels through the Strait of Hormuz should be compensated for this service. Iran has always been the guardian of the strait and will remain so forever. 20% is, of course, too much. We will be fair. Iran launching strikes of its own across the region for another day today. Gulf countries fielding attacks. At least 8 are wounded and 1 person is dead after Iran targeted Bahrain, Jordan, and 2 others linked to the UAE, 2 other tankers, I should say. The US
Bahrain, Jordan te UAE oil tanker ang si te kha Iran lampang hianin alo kap le heta hianin mi pariat an liama mi pakhat in nu na chan bokani ting hianin hoilama po an lo in beichun zom zela Iran po hianin phuba hi alave zel ani US lampang hianin kan bom chhia an tia anti senhem to vi win karinga Trump te po hianin hetiang rong ka chona tur te hi an nei to lo te po hi atile thina ani po ni mana amaro chu Iran hianin hetiang hianin thil ka chua tur hi engtik lai po hianin an nei ve reng maya hei taka hi zoning ngai to na hi ti thuya United States lampang hianin kap che tak nge kap che lo nge an kap zo seng lo nge an kap che zo seng lo nge ti te po hi mo Iran te hianin an ral thuam te hi thuruk na thateu an nenga chu United States te hianin na se thei lawanga katianga an ka chiat nu hanin athar hi an ron phor zelanga le hnoi thil thuru kan ching dia Iran tiang nge firfia kho hi chon mo
US military says more than 50,000 U.S. service members are currently deployed across the Middle East. Back here in Washington, President Trump will welcome Iraq's new Prime Minister Ali Zaidi to the White House later today. Carly, Nate, back to you.
Iraq Prime Minister ito na hian in United States akal don ni na langa Iran chen mo so wa zonin Trump hian engtin ma tak hian in minalo tumin karinga Iraq Prime Minister himo so Trump den ko manga hian in Middle East hetiang boruak hi thuita kin a thilve thein karinga ti chuan ngor o tu na soi pakhat chinghang ka theng
say the US military says more than
United States sipai te hi Middle East hian in tu na hian sipai singa chuang Middle East hian anom mekani mun khatan om chona di han anom dara amara jutu hian in United States sipai singa chuang Middle East anom mek
today Alex Hogan, thank you so much for joining us. 5:12 on this Tuesday morning. Welcome back. The U.S. military launching strikes on Iran for a 3rd consecutive night, with President Trump commenting on the future of the Strait of Hormuz.
I think in the end, we will end up just controlling the whole thing and what they're doing.
Atopa hi chuanin hekan dawin kan dawanga amaro chu atopa chuanin Strait of Hormuz kan kuta hianin om don ti hi Trump hian a soiloka
Is being very foolish, very stupid, and they've treated people horribly. They've killed 52,000 protesters so far that we can determine.
Iran sarkar te hian an mani laka lungoi lo na lan tir tu mi singa sang hi chuang hi tuna hianin an thatto ti kan thria
It might be more than that, but 52,000 protesters have been killed.
Ai pota tam mai thea maro chu tuna kan fe thei chin chu singa sang ni an thatto ni aturu rem mai sarkar laka lungoi lo na lan tir awanga nun na chan at tam ang reng khop mai rap thakop mai
And it's really a terrible situation. But we'll have it under control very quickly.
And the commander-in-chief
Katiang ani khachuanin US te hianin Strait of Hormuz Iran la kata lak an tum phei chuanin Iran hianin an phallo na sadani chuwan chuanin Indo na hi na sa zokra thlak zo hi kan ma chon mai
also announcing a charge for ships passing through the strait, writing on Truth Social, quote, "The USA will be from this point forward known as the guardian."
To the chuanin Strait of Hormuz he kan ven him to the vain United States te hi the guardian of the Hormuz Strait tin ko kan ni tong abahan boy thak train tak hemi chu nin sina bo hanin kan riek to en pon se apoi mo bera chuan United States te hianin Iran thu nei na hi pai thla kan tum don ni Strait of Hormuz a hian hi tu na poi mo ber hi Iran hian an phal don lo chu ban chuan in an in do na sat zual viewarin om ani kami kha tun chum ata na toisi kim si kan han riek kan han soi zau thei ani video la kan in mole theu do ni